Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Last night I had a job that took me out of my zone and into an adjacent zone, and there was not going to be enough time to get back to my zone in order to possibly catch that last minute job. So unfortunately I did not do a job past midnight, which is my goal, but as I had mentioned in a previous video, I overdid it the last couple of days and overextended myself, and I was just dog tired. So I decided to run out the clock. I paused my dash because I don't dash in North Phoenix, and when I got home, I leaned back in my chair and fell asleep. And yeah, I ran out the clock all right, to the point that DoorDash closed out my shift. You see that my end time was actually 12:28 in the morning, and that's not accurate. I actually ended, at 12, but it is what it is. So yesterday we finished with 371.56, just barely above the $20 market cap. And if you can see here, we are at 39 total deliveries. I can't tell you what the total number of offers were. If we go into our weekly earnings, you see that we're at 1138 so far for the week. If you add another 360 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that's I think 1,080. And so another 1,080 would put us at 2220 roughly as a finishing number for the week, and that's with one day off. So I'm really happy with the week. Always want more, which obviously all of you can understand. If we go over and take a look at our ratings, you'll see that I'm at 90% acceptance rate, 100 completion rate, 100 on time, 5.0 customer rating, 1,031 deliveries over the past 30 days, and 47,553 lifetime deliveries. And I am not a pro shopper. That is something I don't do anymore. I don't shop. And so ever since they raised that original items found up to 96, it's knocked me out of the pro shopper program. So, well, that's where we're at currently, platinum status. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and hopefully you guys are reaching your numbers. Listen to the next video, because I had an eye-opening experience yesterday, and I think that message is something that we all need to hear. So with that, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all made the money that you wanted to make yesterday. Hope you're making little tweaks to what you're doing, and those results are reaping some extra money into your pile. So with that, I'm going to let you go, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.